If you have to split a text in a particular cell, you simply use a function called TEXTSPLIT, open parenthesis. The first argument will be the location where the text is. So this cell here, A2. And the second one will be the delimiter. Say double quote, comma, which is the common delimiter between the words here. And you say double quote, close parenthesis, and the text gets split nicely for you based on the delimiter of comma. But what if you have multiple different type of delimiters like double semicolon, single semicolon, forward slash, period, colon? You try to use the same formula like this. It doesn't work too well for you. So the way to get around this is this. So you're gonna take the second argument, you're gonna put them in curly braces. And inside the curly brace, you're gonna say comma, double quote, and list down all the possible delimiters that you might have. So I have that, and I have forward slash, comma, I have a period as well, and I also have a colon as well, like that. And then you try to apply to the rest of the rows the same formula, and you can see it nicely splits the text for you. And if you have white spaces, leading white spaces, no problem. You can just surround the text split with a trim function like that, and you'll get rid of all the white spaces in front and behind. What if you want to list not horizontally, but you want to list it vertically like this? No worries, I'm going to copy this formula, paste it in here. It will list down in a horizontal format. And basically what you're going to do is you're going to surround the text split with a function called TRANSPOSE, and it will list down in vertical way.